Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. We are Group PBL 418, and tonight we present our project-based learning result, the JobFinder SOC Architecture, layer web security, built on secure access, centralized monitoring, and control response. Next. Our project is supervised by our project manager, Mr. Anthony Haikal, SSTMC, who provide academic guidance and evaluations. The work is split into 5 work streams. I'm Triarian Putra Airlangga, the team leader for infrastructure and network, delivering the OpenSense Gateway, NAT Polsai, and Autelia MFA. Aryo Dwi Susanto handles system hardening and access control with SSH, UFA, and hardening RPAC. Farhan Hafiz Ramadan is our CM engineer, building the Wazoo server, agents, and Mitre rules. Riza Dwiki handles firewalls and routing, including RSysLog and the mod security WAF. And last is Nabil Mulia Habibi, handles threat simulation, testing, XSS, SQLE, and IDOR. Okay, next presentation given by Aryo Dwi Susanto.
JobFinder is published over HTTPS for public user, but Flux, Minicron, and MariaDB must never be directly reachable. So our core question is how can JobFinder stay accessible while the backend stay fully isolated and every security event made visible to the SOC? Guided by defend in the deep, less privilege, and default deny, we set for objective expose only HTTPS through OpenSense, keep the backend on localhost only interface, stream IL events to Wazoo, and prepare whitelist and auto-block response. Our main challenge was integrating Google Auth with 4 significant rework of authentication and session handling. Next. This is our team lookbook and implementation timeline. It saw the work progressing week by week, infrastructure and network first, then hardening and firewall configuration, then CM deployment, and finally threat simulation and validation. Every deliverable was implemented and verified in sequence. Next slide given by Reza Dwiki.
Here's the architecture. Client Wi-Fi reads OpenSense, which performs NAT firewalling and IDS or IPS. Traffic then passes to Nginx on HTTPS port 443 only. Then flash with GNUCon or 127 101 and port 3000. And finally, MariaDB on the same IP, port 33.00806. Wazoo receive centralized log in parallel. The key decision users never connect directly to Flash or MariaDB. OpenSense and Nginx are the only control entry points. Slide 6, next slide. At the perimeter, OpenSense control the Wi-Fi pub entry points, apply whitelisting, pole size, and expose only required ports for 8443 forwards to the WebDB service at IP 192.168.556.3 port 8444 forwards to the restricted Wazoo dashboard at 192.168.56.2, and everything else is blocked by default deny. Next slide given by Farhan Hafiz Ramadan.
For application security, user must pass the browser verification, Google Auth, RBAC, and secure session control before reaching the job finder. CSRF, protection and browser challenge, reduce automated abuse. OAuth with OIDC give control identity handling, and RBAC spread the job seeker, company, and admin. Next, for backend isolation and monitoring, Nginx is the only public entry point on port 80 and 443. Unicorn and MariaDB are bound to the local host, and sensitive.env content is never exposed through the webpack. The Wazoo again list confirm the WebDB host is active and connected with 100% again coverage on version 4.8.2, so monitoring is operational, not merely planned. Next, given by Nabil Mulia Habibi.
Our alerts are mapped to Metro attack, including reconnaissance, valid account, and remote service, with every alert carrying role.metri.id and role.metri.tactic. In this explain, we see rule level 9 with technique P1595.002. Each record contains the source IP, decode depth, weblog, role description, severity, and metri mapping, turning raw traffic into SOC already evident. Next slide. Okay, in conclusion, PBL 418 successfully implements a layered SOC architecture, JobFinder, OpenSense, control the perimeter, WebDB is hardened, and Wazoo centralizes monitoring and investigation evidence ported by our NAT backend, monitoring, and Metri-Prof. Going forward, we plan to add third intelligence-based blocking, roles, and improve dashboard view for L1, L2, and L3 SOC workflow. Thank you for your attention.